Hi everyone, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to study about the different methods of eating the food materials by different animals. In the last class we have seen animals are different types. There are some animals they eat only plants, and there are some other animals they eat both plants and animals, and there are some other animal they eat only the flesh of other animals. So three types. Some animals eat only plants, some eat both plants and animals, some animals eat only the flesh of other animals. Such three types of animals we have seen in the last class in detail. Today we know animals eat different types of food. Okay, among these animals, some animals, especially dog and cat, and also the other animals like lion, tiger, etc., they are coming in a single family, same family. So such animals take water or milk by a special process or by a different process called lapping. Okay, they have long tongue. They bring that tongue down into the water or what, into the milk, then they will take it in to the mouth. So they will move it in and out of that water or milk, so it will be slurped or it will be absorbed into their mouth. Okay, you might have seen if there is a cat in your house or if there is a dog in your house, how it is drinking water or how it is taking water or milk, that process is called lapping. Okay, so cat and dog, etc., these animals lapping the milk, lapping of lapping of cat and dog. That is the thing that we have to study first. Okay, let's look at the screen. There you can see these animals, how they are drinking water or how they are taking the milk from the plate. Okay, I told you, their long tongue they will bring in and out of that water, so automatically it will be taken into the mouth. You can see that image in the picture. Okay, second we can see another thing, snake, then frog, etc. These animals, they do not have what? They do not have teeth, means teeth for biting and chewing. They have teeth, but it is not used for biting and chewing the food like we do. But they have the teeth, it is used for holding, to catch the prey, it is used. But they swallow their food. Swallow means they consume without what? Chewing. Then snakes, they do not have hand, that's why they hold the prey by using their teeth, but it is not used for biting and chewing. Then frog, the frogs have a long sticky tongue. Sticky means it is like gum, it having a sticking nature. So when it see an insect, it shoot out or it prolong the tongue, then that insect will be stuck on it, then it will be rolled and come inside or taken inside, then it will be swallowed. That is the method of eating the food by whom? Frogs. So they use their long sticky tongue. Okay, sticky means it is just like gum. Gum is used to stick the things. Like that, it is having a long sticky tongue. It will shoot on the insect and it will be stuck on it. Then it will be rolled and it will be taken inside. That is done by the frog. That image also, how the snake is swallowing and how the frog is swallowing, that you can see in the screen. Next, butterflies and honeybee. They have long coiled like or long straw like mouth or mouth parts. Straw, you know, if you are going to a cool bar for taking a juice, from there we will get a pipe to take the juice, now that is called straw. Such a straw like means a long pipe like mouth parts is there for whom? Butterflies. So butterflies, what they will do, that butterflies inject that into the flower, or they insert that long mouth into the flower and they take the nectar. Nectar means the honey from the flower. So that will be absorbed by injecting into the flower. For that they have long coil. When they are not used, it will be used only for taking nectar. After that it will be curled or it will be rounded like a spring. That also you can see in the picture. See, some butterflies, they have a ring like part, that is the long mouth. It is opened or straightened when it is used for drinking or when for taking nectar from the flower. Okay, see. Okay, next, biting and chewing by whom? Cow, goat, etc. Cow, goat, buffalo, etc. These animals, they eat grasses, no? They are actually herbivores. These herbivores, their front teeth is very sharp. You know, normally we cut grasses with knife, but these animal, they are eating the grass. How they cut the grasses, or how do they cut the grasses? They cut the grass by using their sharp front teeth. Look, they have sharp front teeth and flat or broad. Broad means wide. Broad and strong back teeth. Why? For chewing that grasses. So for cutting, sharp front teeth, and for chewing, broad and strong what? Back teeth is there for whom? Herbivores. So by using the front teeth they cut the grass, by using the back teeth they grind or chew the grasses, and they will swallow that after chewing. Okay, so for that they have, I told you, front teeth is sharp, back teeth is broad, wide, bigger and very strong. Okay, such teeth, that also you can see in the image. Okay, the last item, tearing and grinding, or tearing and chewing. This is the method of eating by whom? The carnivores, in carnivorous animals or in carnivores. Okay, in the carnivores there are three types of teeth. Sharp and strong front teeth that they use to hold the prey. When the animals run, they will hold by biting on the front teeth. Then after that they have four bigger teeth. You can see in the image, I will show you, wait. So in the image you can see they have four bigger sharp pointed teeth, that is very strong. Okay, by using that they can tear their flesh, or they can take the flesh from the body of this kind of animals. Okay, last, the bone of that animal, bone and the flesh of that animal, that will be crushed by using the back teeth. That back teeth is very stronger. So bone itself is crushed. Bone of other animal is crushed. When we eat chicken or meat, if we are getting bone, what we will do? We will avoid or remove it or throw it. Okay, but this animal crush the bone of other animal by using this back teeth. That much strong it is. So sharp front teeth to hold the prey, then long sharp pointed teeth for tearing the flesh, and strong back teeth for crushing the bone and flesh of the other animal. Okay, this is the method of eating in animals. So these all you can see. Then last tearing, I told you, carnivorous animals, their picture also you can see, just note it. Then we can move to the next part. Look, there are different type of teeth. Okay, so with these we have studied about how different animals are taking their food, and their images also have been shown to you, or it is also noticed from the screen. Last part in this chapter, that is domestic animal. Domestic animals. What are domestic animals? Domestic animals are animals, they live with us or they are kept in farms. Some animals they live with us, or some animals they are kept in the farms, are called domestic animals. Okay, then here we have to study what are the methods that we can take for caring the domestic animal, or how the domestic animals can be kept without any problem. Okay, for that 4 points is to be studied. 1, give their food and water. Give their food and water in a clean vessel. If you are having a cow in the house, or if you are having a dog in the house or a cat in the house, give their food and water in clean vessel. Otherwise what will happen? They will have diseases or problems. That is the first point. Second point, clean their shelters regularly. Their houses, that is called shelter. What is the shelter of a dog? Kennel. What is the shelter of a chick? It is called coop. What is the shelter of a cow? It is called cattle shed. So it is to be kept clean, or it is to be cleaned every day or regularly. It should be clean. That is the only thing. Okay. Yes. Third point, treat sick animals. If any animal is having disease or any problem, treat it or give medicines to such animals. That is also very much important. Treat sick animals. Okay. Last point, be kind to the animals. Be kind to the animals means animals are poor organisms, no? So we should not make them angry, or we should not make them problem, or we should not tease them, or we should not attack them. Okay, they are poor organisms, so be very kind to these organisms. Okay, these are the 4 points that we have to note in the case of caring of domestic animal. How can we care the domestic animal? If such a question is coming, you can write this: give their food and water in a clean vessel, then clean their shelters regularly, then treat sick animals. If they are patient, give them medicines. Be kind to these animals. Okay, these are the points that you have to note in the case of what? In the case of these domestic animals. Okay, with this we can finish our chapter, or this chapter is finished, and the exercise part we will give in another video. So watch the video completely, repeat the video and try to understand. If you have any problem to understand any point, take the help of your parents also and watch it clearly and try to understand each and every point. And the exam is very near, and for the exam you all have to score full mark. Okay, I wish you all by full mark, or you all will score full mark, and you study in such a way with the help of your parents. Okay, so study very well and score full mark, so we can see after the examination. Thank you. Have a nice day.